I'm playing Sushi Cat right now, and this is my first cat on this level, and I've broken it. I have a full belly, full belly, full belly, and I'm not going anywhere because I've got a full belly. Right now, what is it? I can't even see it on the phone, but I'm pretty sure it says 124. I'm pretty sure I started this level at least 6 minutes ago. And it's been going like this for a long time. And it appears that due to the fatness of my cat, I'm interfering with the physics of the level. The bowls with stuff in them are no longer in sync. Oh, I ate another piece. Oh, there you go. There's physics for you. Squish. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can come back to this in a little bit. Oh, alright.